Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your location from Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using a Google account. Now on screen, you can see options like search bar, your user icon, explore, go, saved, contribute, and update. Well, all you have to do is go ahead, zoom in, and find your location, which will look somewhat like this. Then just tap on that circle. Then a small menu will prompt up from the bottom of the screen. There you can see options like save location, save parking at a missing place, etc. You have to tap onto your location option. Then you can see you can choose the time that you want to share it for and the contact that you want to share it to. Just tap on more option. Well, you can also adjust the time there. I'm gonna keep it as 1 hour. Then you can see you can share it to different options there, different social medias. Just select one of those and tap on send. And guys, that's it. That's how you share your location from Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.